The situation facing my family shows that we must remain extremely vigilant in our battle against the spread of COVID-19.
Erin O'Toole has been calling for caution after getting COVID. But social media images from before he and his staffer were tested show O'Toole and his team met with dozens of people in a single day. A source tells CBC News there are approximately 15 cases of COVID connected to this trip, including O'Toole, his wife, and 2 staff members. Though O'Toole's team won't confirm a number, saying because some people who contract COVID-19 do not exhibit symptoms, it would be irresponsible to speculate on the number of people who may have become infected. The source says many of the cases are linked to events O'Toole held one morning with Conservative organizers and candidates. Anne Francis was at one. While she removed her mask for a photo, she says COVID precautions were taken.
You can actually see my mask in my hand in the picture, and then I put the mask right back on.
Conservatives say all their events followed public health guidelines and that it all happened before the second wave was declared. As for Bloc leader Yves-Francois Blanchet, who went to Saint-Hyacinthe, a 3-day trip to the Abitibi region and Montreal before learning he could have been exposed to COVID, the Bloc said in a statement, all of his activities before his diagnosis were analyzed by public health, which determined that no one was put at risk during his travels, adding the party rigorously respects health guidelines. The photos themselves aren't particularly egregious, says one epidemiologist, but prompt questions about politics during a pandemic.
I think we expect our politicians to be visible. We might have to put those expectations on hold in the current climate because we don't want people interacting with a bunch of different groups.
O'Toole himself said just this week that it is up to MPs to practice the highest standards and not inadvertently expose anyone to COVID. Catherine Cullen, CBC News, Ottawa.